Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install JDK 25 on Windows step by step. So let's start. So open your web browser and just type download JDK. Hit on enter. Go to the official website, that is oracle.com. So click on that. Here scroll down and here you can see Java Standard Edition Development Kit, right? 25 downloads. So scroll down, go to Windows, and here you can see this is 64 installer. This is exe file. So just simply click on this download link. Now downloading is started, right? Here you can see downloading is started, right? Download is completed, right? So go to downloads. Now you can see I have downloaded JDK 25. So just simply double click on that, and now you can see this pop-up window. Welcome to installation wizard for Java development kit, right? So click on next button. Here you can see you can select where you want to install JDK. So keep it by default. Click on next button, right? So next and finish. That's okay. That's it. Here you can see JDK 25 successfully installed at our system. So close. Now select this PC, go to properties, and here go to advanced system setting. Here we need to set environment variable. So before that, go to C drive, and here you can see there is a folder program files. Double click on that, and in program files you can see there is a folder Java. So open it, and here you can see JDK 25. So open it till bin. Now copy this URL, Control A, Control C, right? Close this one and select environment variables. Here inside system variables, click on new button and give path, variable name path, and variable value, paste it here. So click on OK button. Here let's set up Java home also. So click on edit button, and here just Control A, Control B, paste it here. But here we need to keep in mind remove bin, right? Only keep 25. Click on OK button. OK. OK. Now open your command prompt and type Java version. Hit on enter. Here you can see JDK 25 installed at our system, right? So now open your notepad and just write a simple Java program. So how to write a simple Java program and run? Let's see. So type class A, right? Public static void main, right? So this is your main method. Now type system.out.println, system.out.println, right? Now pass your message, welcome to Java programming, right? So close this. Now save this program with class name A, right? So copy class A. So Control S. Go to your D drive, and here I have already created a folder called Java, right? Go to Java. Here create a simple folder. Just right click and create a new folder like new folder, right? Learn underscore Java, right? So here give class name, paste it here A, and give file name .java, and here save as type all files. Keep it in mind, if you don't select all files, then it will save in .txt file beneath all files, right? So click on save button. Now you can see our program is saved. So let's compile this Java program and run at our command prompt, right? So open your command prompt and go to D drive, type D colon, hit on enter. Here type dir. Here you can see in D drive these are all my folders, right? So I need to go where Java. Here you can see there is a Java folder, this one. So I need to go that. So how I can change directory? So type cd, go to Java, right? Here type dir. Here you can see inside Java folder these are folders created. So newly folder I created learn Java. So go to learn Java, hit on enter. Now type dir. Here you can see a.java. So how to compile a Java file? Do you know? So let's see how we can compile. So type Java C and class name a.java. Hit on enter. I can see program is compiled. How to run Java program? Only type Java and give class name, right? Using this method, we can run the Java program at our command prompt. So hit on enter. Now you can see welcome to Java programming, right? So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.